Oike from the District of Lillooet. I just wanted to pass on some information to you all. We were just notified by the BC Wildfire Service with new evacuation alert or recommendations. This area will include the Hot Club community along Highway 99 North and the regional district residents as well. However, this does not include the District of Lillooet at this time. This is a great opportunity to remind us all of the importance of being prepared. A couple of those things will be having a family emergency evacuation plan ready to go. Discuss those plans with your family and make sure they're aware of those. Also, have a 72-hour plan kit ready. For more information on BC wildfires, please go to the BC Wildfire Service website, or to learn more about evacuation alerts and orders, you can visit emergencyinfobc.com. Thank you.